What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner hip hop class, where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. Today's move we're going to work on is a bounce or hop to the side with an opposite leg reset. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dancing skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. All right, so today's move really builds off our basic bounce or hop to the side. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check that one out. I did a previous video on that. Okay, so all again, we're taking our bounce to the side. So all I'm doing is I'm leaning to my right and I'm coming together, or I'm leaning to my left and I'm coming together. Okay, so again, basics of this: split your body in half so you're not just moving one leg to the side or out, but I'm really just jumping both legs out to create a bigger movement. Okay, so one way we did approach this in a previous video was coming back to the same leg that I'm jumping out to, right? So if I jump to my right, I would come back to my right, and if I jump to my left, I would come back to my left. So today we are going to reverse that, which is a little tricky, but in your head you want to think you're just doing the opposite leg to balance on. Okay, so if I jump to my right, all I'm doing is I'm going to use this center leg or my left leg to come back to center. Okay, so don't think balance on your right leg. I want to balance on my left leg. Okay, so one more time, I'm jumping to my right, balance on this left leg, the opposite leg, left. So again, whatever leg you're not leaning towards, that's our center leg, that's what we're going to balance on. So one more time, jump to the right, balance on that left. Okay, so now that our left is on the ground, I still want to go to the left. Okay, so if I'm going to the left here, I'm using my left leg to bounce out of it, and now I want to jump onto my right. So again, whatever leg I'm not leaning towards, which is this one at the moment, I'm jumping to my right. So one more time, we're on our left. I'm jumping to my left here. I'm gonna jump back onto my right here. So one more time, left leg, jump to my left, boop, jump onto my right. Okay, so now we want to just repeat that. So I'm on my right, I wanna go to my right, jump, left, jump, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, jump, left, jump, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, jump, left, jump, right. All right, so now that we have that down, let's try to speed it up a little bit so we don't have a pause in the middle, and we'll just go back and forth. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go, starting with the right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good, let's try that again. I'm gonna face the other way. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7. To your right. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so once you have that down, you want to speed it up even more. So now we want to think 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and. Again, there's nothing that's wrong with you doing an and count out here, doing a whole count out over here. But for right now, let's just keep it simple. We'll go 1 and. So your balance point is your and count. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 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 1. Let's try it again. Face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 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 1 and. All right, so before we hop into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now by hitting that subscription button and also hitting the notification bell so you're always notified when I release videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways from this move. Again, there's nothing wrong with coming back to the same leg when you reset. This is just a different variation, and this is kind of where like you get moves like the SpongeBob, even like jerking kind of has that effect where you're going to the opposite leg. So just know like this basic concept is what's gonna hold it together for different moves and make it easier to learn those other moves. All right, so let me know in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.